Hello guys, welcome to CyberCrust YouTube channel. So guys, today we are in the final video of Nmap strategy series. So guys, in this full series, we have learned various concepts of Nmap. We have performed the host discovery, the port scanning, and at last we have also performed about the NAC. We have discussed various scripts, we have solved various questions, but at the final, what is the value if we can't save all those results? So like in Nmap, after having a scan, we have various methods to save all those outputs. So guys, in this final video, we will learn like what are the various methods or what are the various formats in which we can save the outputs. So guys, without wasting the time, let's dive into the computer screen and start this exciting of this final video. So guys, here you can see we have the complete playlist of Nmap Mastery series. So here we have all the videos from day 0 to this final day. So guys, you can save this playlist, you can share with your friends, and guys, make sure to subscribe CyberCrust YouTube channel. So guys, as discussed previously, in this whole journey, we were using Kali Linux as our attacking machine, Metasploitable 2 as our victim machine or target machine. So guys, if you have any doubt like how to install the Kali Linux, how to install the Metasploitable 2, so I will put that video in the I button so you can check those videos. And guys, now here you can see we have our final slides. So here you can see we have the theoretical definition and here we have the commands. So you can go through these commands. And guys, here we have the questions. Like we have to solve all these 5 questions. So guys, let's start with our first question. So guys, here we have our first question. Like, how do you save the human-readable terminal output to a text file named scan.txt? So guys, like how to solve this question? Like here I will use a simple command. Like using that flag or using that command, we can simply save the human-readable output. Like after having a scan, the output that we got, we will save that in a simple text file. So here I will write the command nmap -on, and here I will write the file name scan.txt, and here we can simply enter the target IP and we can give an enter. So guys, here you can see we got the result, and guys, we have already saved that file as scan.txt. So guys, here we have our second question. Like, how do you output the result in XML format so it can be imported into tools like Metasploit? So guys, after having a scan, like the result we got, we can save that into XML format file so that we can easily import that into the Metasploitable, or as you know, the Metasploitable is a vulnerability or exploit machine. So here to solve this, we can simply use the command nmap -ox, and here I will write the file name like scan.xml, and here we can simply enter the target IP and we can give an enter. So guys, here you can see we got the result, and you can simply check like the scan.xml file is already saved. So now let's move to third question. So guys, here we have our third question. How do you generate greppable output that formats each host result onto a single line for easy parsing with grep? So for greppable, here I will use the command like nmap -og, and here I will write scan.gnmap. We can simply enter the target IP and we can give an enter. So guys, here you can see we got the result, and you can simply find the scan.gnmap file that is already saved. So now let's move to fourth one. So guys, here we have our fourth question. Like, what single command output that scan result in normal, XML and greppable format simultaneously? So guys, here we will use a single flag, and using that flag we can save the file in 3 different methods like the normal, the XML and the gnmap or greppable. So here I will simply use the command nmap minus OA, and here I will write the file name. All output as you wish, you can give the name, and I will simply enter the target IP and give a enter. So guys, you can see we got the result, and guys, you can check the all three format files have been saved. So now let's move to fifth one. Yes, here we have our fifth question. Like, you are running multiple scans over time. How do you append new scan result to scan.txt instead of overwriting the file? So guys, this means we have some of the result file, and now we are performing another scan, and we want to add this scan report to the previous scan report. So this means we want to merge these two files. So what can we do? So now here I can simply use the command nmap -on, and here I can write the file name scan.txt. Then I will use the flag --append minus the result. Then I can simply enter the target IP and we can give an enter. So guys, here you can see we got the result, and you can see like the previous scan.txt, and here this result have been merged into a single file. So guys, we have successfully completed all those 5 questions regarding the output methods of Nmap scanning. So guys, with this video, we end up this Nmap strategy series. So guys, make sure to like this full playlist, to share with your friends, and guys, you can follow this full playlist to learn the Nmap commands, how this Nmap works, and what kind of commands or what kind of flags we can use, and how effectively we can use Nmap. So guys, if you want any more topics or if you want any more tools to learn, so you can put that in the comment section. I will make videos regarding that tools. And guys, make sure to subscribe CyberCrust YouTube channel. Thank you.